Oh God, it's ugly. I haven't done anything. Today's the day. This is the lawn after, what did I do? I did a full shot of iron and ThE plant growth regulator. That was my first app of the season. It's awesome. It just feels different. Like it's thicker, it's harder, it's denser. Oh, look, spider. Come here, look. Oh, where'd you go? Anyway, it's awesome. I love it. The results are amazing. Look at this, look what Catherine does. There's rhubarb all over because she feeds the critters. I mow and I get everything looking awesome, and then she feeds the critters rhubarb, the mamas, because she's sweet like that. So this is the good part of the lawn. I am all about transparency. Hi, love. How are you? You want to come say hi? There you go. You look great. This is the good part of the lawn, and I don't think that there's enough people who do videos who show the really, really terrible parts of their lawn. I got some parts of this lawn that may just be the worst lawn ever. Everything is awesome. All the lawns are perfect, but I think that on social media, and especially here, people don't show the mess. And then a lot of times they don't show the reality. So that's what I want to show today. Because as fantastic as that looks, I'm also dealing with this. That right, I'm not proud of that at all. I should have been doing something, but I haven't. And it's awful. That's like 13 inches of grass that I've neglected. So what happened was we started doing an addition on the house, which is we put 600 square feet on, and I knew that they were going to be using this area a ton, and I neglected it and have not done a single thing. And as a result, it is, oh God, it's ugly. I haven't done anything. Today's the day. We're gonna start cleaning this up and getting it to something that maybe I'm proud of. And I don't even know if you can see this. I just pretend that this part of the lawn doesn't exist, because if you can see right here, look at this line. I just stopped mowing here because I can't even do any of that. It's so shameful. This is what I'm now dealing with. Just all rocks and garbage. So this thing right here, this hydro pole, so when they were doing the reno, all of this was supposed to be done. And then the hydro company came by and they said that the hydro pole was too close to the house, even though 2 years ago they said it was not. And so they had to move the hydro pole at my expense. So I bought a hydro pole for $5,000. I don't own it. It's not mine. I bought it for them, but right? Isn't it beautiful? And then sometimes when I'm back here, I kind of just take like 15 steps this way, because here it's awesome, and then there it's sad. But the work feels better when you know what success looks like. And on the other side of the house, that is a huge success. So this result here behind me right now, it's only been, I don't even know, maybe 2 seasons, not even 2 seasons, one full season. In August 2018, my lawn looked like this. And it was a disaster. Like, it was the worst thing you'd ever see. That's a picture of my kid with weeds up to her knees. They got a guy come in and hydro spray it or hydro seed it, and it was just a disaster. They did it the wrong time of year. I didn't walk into a somewhat decent lawn. I walked into nothing. Like, kill it all and start over. I think that was a spider. You can do this. The choices that I have are like a few. What we're gonna do is I'm just gonna hack it all down with the string trimmer, and that's gonna have to be as good as it gets for now, because it's gotta be done at some point. And why not? I love battery operated tools until 2 batteries. Battery number 2. So the side of the house was never really the problem. It was always this part. This here, that is the disaster. That's the ugly. And it was pretty. I let it go like once, and then as soon as I let it go once, I let it go a second time, and then 3 weeks, and then 4 weeks. However, I will say this. Not everything is pretty. There's like ugly things in your lawn, and we all have like that one part that is just hideous, and we don't show it on the videos, and we don't want to take care of it because getting this to look like something decent takes a lot more work than mowing some stripes and showing off. So we're gonna work on this, and it's a process. I don't want to do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'd rather be doing the other part because it's pretty. I ran out of string for the string trimmer, and I don't have any more. That was the last of it. But anyway, so I guess we're done for the day. I was hoping to show everything done because that area up there is like really bad. But sometimes you don't get everything done in one day, and that is fine because this was never going to be done in one day. Is it good? No. Is it progress? Yes, it's progress. And for the most of this stuff here, the most you can hope for is progress. So we'll carry on. There's a guy like flying like a one-man airplane. It's cool. Progress is the goal. That's it for today.